Hi everyone and welcome to Defi Daily, the channel where every day we talk about DeFi, going through different news, analysis and tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Serum, the core of the whole Solana DeFi ecosystem. But before to start, I have a quick disclaimer. Always remember that all the contents in this channel are just for educational purpose and nothing has to be intended as a financial advice. Please do always your own research before investing in anything. And if you're new to the channel, also subscribe to be always updated every time I post a new video. And please leave me also a thumbs up to help me spread the word and reach more people. Okay, let's jump into the topic. When we are talking about Serum, we are talking about something that is completely new in the whole DeFi ecosystem. And the reason is that thanks to the speed, thanks to the capability of processing an incredible number of transactions by the Solana blockchain, it became possible to develop a completely new way to manage the DeFi process. And especially thanks to Serum, it became possible to introduce an order book. It's not anymore necessary to use only an automated market maker, that is the most used tool to allow people to swap different tokens, and is something that has been introduced by Uniswap and makes the fortune of Uniswap, and not only, but all the platform that has come after it. When we talk about Serum, we are talking about a project that has been co-founded by Sam Beckman-Fried. And Sam, probably you already know, is the CEO and also founder of FTX. FTX is probably right now the biggest centralized exchange behind Binance. But for sure, FTX also the most growing right now centralized exchange in the crypto world. And at the same time, it's also backed by Alameda Research, that is also behind the whole Solana ecosystem and also the Solana blockchain. As you can see, there are many advisors, and according to Crunchbase, they already collected around 20 millions, but as you can see here, there were also other rounds that hasn't been released how much money they have raised. So with any probability, we are talking about much more money that has been already raised by this project. Even if we are talking about a project that is probably one of the most interesting projects in the whole DeFi ecosystem, it's not, it doesn't have a so high total value locked. As you can see here, actually they have around 400 million, and the total value lock is changing by day. It could go from 300 million to up to 600 million. And if you compare it with other projects on the DeFi ecosystem of Solana, you will see that right now Serum is only the 5th project for total value locked into the protocol. Even so, when we are talking about Serum, we are talking about a project that not only has, as you can see here, an incredible set of partners, because it's partnering with almost all the major players in the industry, but we are talking also about a project that is the core that enables many other projects, like for example Aurori, that is a game, Bonfida, that is almost the UE, it is almost the interface of the DEX of Serum that we're going to see in a couple of moments. And if you go down, you can understand that there are many other platforms. Also Maps.me Mapsy is another platform that already has something around 2 million of users, and that's a really big number. And if you think about all of this information are suggesting that we are talking about a project that, yes, it's true that right now has a total value locked that is quite low, but it's something that is almost an infrastructure that helps other projects to build something that could be even more incredible. So it's almost a layer of technology. It's not important to have a look only to the total value locked. Probably in the next future, also the total value locked would go higher. But right now it's not important, because what makes really special Serum is the fact that it enables something else. Even big projects like, for example, Maps.me that already has millions of users. And if you go down, you can find also Mercurial Finance, that is another important project, Oxygen, that is another really nice project, Radium, that is using Serum as a core to amplify and to empower their own pools and their own technology, and so on. Also Star Atlas, Solrise, Zeta Market, and so on. And the ecosystem is continuously growing. And if on one side we say that the Serum total value lock is quite low, on the other side we have a price of the token Serum that is skyrocketing, as you can see here, from the beginning of the year, from here to the maximum reached in May. The price has been going up more than 12 times. That's quite a lot. As you can see also, the price is quite volatile and has gone down a lot in the mini bear market that we have experienced during this summer. The price, anyway, it has recovered really well in the last couple of months and has gone up to almost the maximum price, going up by more than 4 times. Right now we are dealing with this resistance, this blue resistance, and that is the resistance that if we are able to break, if we close at least a day up to this resistance, could open a new space to even a new run, because in that case we will start to go to a price discovery that can bring the price even higher. But it really depends on what will do the Solana price, what will be the evaluation of Solana, and also what will happen with Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin continues to range without moving too much, it is possible that the Solana, the Serum price could start a price discovery process. Otherwise, if the price of Bitcoin goes down, if it dumps, as you can see, it could happen the same that just happened this summer, where we have seen the price dumped by almost, let's have a look, from the top here to the minimum here, the price has gone down more than 80%. So we are talking about a token that is really volatile and can dump massively in a really short term. But what is really interesting to notice about Serum is that if we have a look to the total market cap of Serum, and specifically to the fully diluted market cap of this token, we can find something really interesting, because if the actual market cap is not so high, because we are talking about a project that has right now something more than 500 million, that's a modest, that's a decent market cap, but nothing special. When we are approaching the fully diluted market cap, we can find that it is really a monster market cap, because it is already around 110 billion. If we try to compare this fully diluted market cap with the market cap of other projects, like let's go back to the top, like here, you can notice that the actual fully diluted market cap is even higher than the whole Solana blockchain market cap, the Solana token, the Solana coin fully diluted market cap. And it's even higher than the Binance coin, and it's at the same level of Cardano. So we are already talking about a project that, considering only the fully diluted market cap, it is already in the top 3 in the whole market. So these numbers gives you a more complete overview and probably are helping you to understand that we are talking about a really big project. And it's not something that it has just to be judged by the total value locked or how many users are actually on the Project Serum platform. Because the Project Serum platform is something that is more about building an infrastructure that can power up all the other projects in the whole ecosystem. And that's the reason why the whole market cap, it is already enormous. Anyway, be aware that on the other side, a so high market cap means also that the price can't grow so much, because we are already talking about a big project. It's obviously, it can't just going up 10 times, for example. It's quite hard, because it would mean reaching and going beyond even the Bitcoin fully diluted market cap, and it's quite, at least at the moment, impossible. So even if Serum could start a new phase of price discovery, it is quite improbable that it will be able to grow so much, because it already has a really high market cap. If we go back here to the Coin 98 Insights, and if we go to the market cap section here, as you can see, all pre-sale team and contributor tokens will unlock between 1 to 7 years after listing. It means that we will reach the fully diluted market cap in the 2027. So we have around 5 to 6 years more before reaching the whole diluted market cap. And I will leave you also the link to help you understand when the different amount of tokens will be unlocked and when they will come to the market. And it's something really important, because in the moment when they are released, it means that more selling pressure will come, and it's something that is really dangerous for the price, because if you are an early investor and you have bought this token for some pennies, and right now is like let's say 1,000 times more and higher, when your token are unlocked, you will probably start to at least try to sell some of your tokens, and it means that the selling pressure will come and the price is probably start to dump. Okay, let's have a look also to the white paper of Project Serum, and specifically I would like to highlight what you can do with your Serum token. And as you can see here, all the net fees of Serum go to a Serum bar. It means that it is something that is quite useful to sustain the price, because it means that the fees that are collected through the platform, and the fees are collected every time people are doing a transaction through Serum, those fees will be barred, and it means that the circulating supply will decrease over time and the price will obviously goes up. At the same time, holding Serum will give you some discount on fees. This is something, a utility that will push people to hold their own Serum tokens, and also all the fees will be paid on Serum. At the same time, Serum can be staked to create a node, and each node must have at least 10 million of Serum. So this is another utility of the token Serum. And it is also anticipated to include a limited governance model base. It means that the token of Serum will be also used as a governance token. On the white paper, you can find also many other information on how the platform is built, more information about the order book, the contracts, the percentage of Serum tokens distribution, and so on. And this is something that I highly encourage you to do, to have a look to the white paper, to have a more clear overview on what is the project and what are the goals of it. I will leave you the link in the description below. Okay, let's now have a look to the platform. And this is the DEX of Project Serum. As you can see, the interface is quite similar to what you are used to have on a centralized exchange. For example, if you open your Binance account or your FTX account, when you try to buy something, the interface is quite close to what we are seeing right now. We have an order book, and this is the main feature of Serum. This is something that this is the first time that we are seeing it on a decentralized exchange. And here you have the buy and sell feature. You can choose at what amount, let's say that you want to buy the coin. Let's say that you want, actually the price is 353. Let's say that you want to buy it at 200. You can choose the amount. For example, let's say that you want to buy 10 coins, and you will find here how much USDT you have to pay to buy those amount of coins. You can place your order, and in the moment that the markets reach that level of price, your order will be triggered and you will be buy the coin that you are planning to buy. Here you have also other two features. For example, if you click on swap, you will be opening an interface that is quite close to what you are used to find on the DEX, like Uniswap. You have seen it probably also on Radium. I have done also a complete tutorial on Radium that if you missed it, you can find the link here in the right corner. And it's quite easy to use. You have just to choose what kind of token do you want to swap. Let's say that you have USDC and you want to exchange them with to Solana. So you have just to choose the amount. Let's say that you want to swap 10 USDC for Solana. You have to approve the transaction and so on. Obviously, right now I don't have balance because I haven't even connected my wallet. But if you connect it, you can, and you have the balance, you can complete and approve this transaction. Let's go back to the platform. As you can see here, you have also the opportunity to add a market. All you have to do is complete, and obviously you have to connect your wallet and complete those fields. And if you want to know more about all the technical aspects and how the whole platform works, I will leave you also the link of the documentation. And here you can find many interesting information about it. Okay, trying to summarize what we have seen about Serum. We are talking about a project that is the core of the Solana DeFi ecosystem, and the main feature is enabling the possibility to leverage an order book. So new projects that will born in the DeFi ecosystem can use order book of Serum to empower their own services, something that we have already seen with Radium, Star Atlas, and many other projects that are already integrating the Serum project. Serum is a highly backed project, and it has been co-founded directly by Sam of FTX, and is also backed by Alameda Research. They already collected more than 20 millions and probably even more during the different rounds that they have been through. The price around right now is ranging at the top, and with the top resistance that is around $12. About the price and the capitalization of the project, is really important to remember that we are already talking about a project that has one of the biggest fully diluted market cap in the whole crypto market. Right now, at least for fully diluted market cap, it is already in the top 3 of the market. It means that it can't do simply a 10x, because it would be meaning that the fully diluted market cap, it would be even higher than the actual fully diluted market cap of Bitcoin. The platform right now is quite simple, and for the interface is leverage the interface of Bonfida, that is another project built on Solana. So when you think about Serum, always remember that you don't have to judge the project only for the total value locked into the platform, because Serum is not just about it. It's more about creating the conditions to enable new projects to grow and to born on the Solana ecosystem. I hope that this overview of Serum helped. If you have any question, just write in the comments below. And please leave me also a thumbs up to help me reach more people and spread the word. And guys, thank you for following me, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good day.